Kev G, weather overview. How's it going out there, everybody? Happy Sunday. Well, we're almost in the middle of February, and I think that you're going to find that the overall weather pattern that we've had for the majority of the winter is going to maintain itself around here. And the overall weather pattern, in my view, is characterized by cold shots that come and go. And these cold shots that we have don't necessarily come together when we get a winter storm. So the storms that we have been getting, they have been primarily liquid precipitation across the coastal areas and in the city and five boroughs. Yes, there's been some, they've initially started as frozen precipitation, but eventually it just changes over to rain, and a lot of the stuff that we do get or that does accumulate just gets washed away. So I think that's the overall theme coming up with the next two storms this week. Now, for the first light event, we have a winter weather advisory, and this is for tonight into Monday. And this is for Philly and southern New Jersey, where 1 to 3 inches of snow could accumulate. So, plan on that. For the rest of the area, not in the advisory, it looks like this is going to be a dusting to maybe an inch of snow as we go into the late evening hours. So we'll jump right into it with the models. And I think overall what you're going to find is that this is a repeating pattern. And I'll come back to this in a second. Let's get to the surface, and we'll see what the day-to-day looks like. We have our light snow for Monday morning, especially in the areas that are in the winter weather advisory area. Everybody else for New York City, Long Island, I think it's a dusting to an inch of snow. And then we wait for the second system to come in. This is a more important storm. So it looks like snow breaks out between 6 and 8 a.m. on Tuesday morning, and we could get a few inches of snow before eventually it changes over to rain. Now, as we go into the day, the warm air will make inroads, especially along the coast. And for the immediate tri-state area, anything that we do get that accumulates is going to be washed away. So the evening commute looks like it's going to be a rainy affair. Now, north and west of the city, especially over the mid-Hudson Valley, east of the Hudson River, and up into Connecticut and Massachusetts, that's where snow could be heavy at times, and they could get a significant accumulation, and that would be disruptive for those areas. But mainly for the New York City, Long Island area, again, a situation where we start off as frozen precipitation, then anything that does fall does get washed away by rain. And this system is sort of a slow mover. It moves out by Wednesday morning, early Wednesday morning, and then it turns windy and colder. Quiet for the rest of the week. We warm up, and by the time we hit Friday, another storm starts to come in. This is a day where on Friday we could be flirting with 50 degrees, but it would be cloudy. And then rain develops Friday night into Saturday. And then by the time we get into Saturday afternoon, the rain may change over to a brief bit of snow at the end. So, again, we see the overall theme of the weather pattern repeating itself that we've had for the majority of the winter around here. Now, when we take a look at the overall weather pattern at 500 millibars, which is about 18,000 feet, for the winter weather lovers around here, it looks like everything just remains in the wrong place in terms of snow impact along the immediate coast. It looks like that as we go into next week, we have a broad-based trough, and the jet stream's pretty far to the south, but that relents. And so by the time we get into the middle of next week, we see warm air trying to come up from the south, and this is just not a pattern where you would look for any significant winter storms around here. And if you do get anything, it would be the type of storm that basically does what they've been doing all along, which is to say that we get a brief period of snow, and then the snow changes over to rain, and it washes away. So that's basically the overall theme. You can see with the temperatures on Weather Underground that it's not too bad. We could eke out a couple of days in the 50s. Saturday, of course, would be raining. But Friday might be your best bet, even though it's going to be cloudy. But ahead of that storm system, it's going to turn mild. So that's basically it for the overall weather picture for this week. And if you're north and west of the city, watch out for those, forecasts, especially the further north and east you go, for significant snow on Tuesday. But for the coastal plain, it's more of the same as we head into mid-February.